This is REALME V60 Pro, and today I'll show how you can enter the recovery mode on this device. So first you will need to simultaneously press volume up and power keys to launch the power off menu. Now power off the device. Allow a few seconds for the phone to be switched off all the way, which you'll know once you hear the vibration. Now simultaneously press and keep holding the volume down and power buttons, and release your fingers once you'll see the REALME logo appearing on the display. Here it is. Let both of your fingers go. And select the language, and here is the, recovery menu or recovery mode. You can exit this menu by switching the device off or rebooting back to the system. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.